Hi, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? It's your pleasure. Thank you very much. Very nice to welcome you. I feel also. Yes, it is. It is your home. Thank you very much. It's a matter of great pleasure and a much awaited visit. And thank you for
I feel no difference between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. At home, I don't feel outside my home.
We're a white.
Among my brothers.